First, I will share the code RMCTNB5R. This is for those of you who already understand how to use a referral code. For those who are curious, what is the purpose of a referral code? Does it benefit the user, or does it only benefit the person who shares the code? We will explain all of that next. Let's go! Let me ask you something. If you're already trading crypto, why would you not want lower trading fees, lifetime cashback, and a welcome bonus up to $200? Most people trade on Binance without any referral. That means higher fees, forever. Today, I'll show you what Binance actually gives new users, how my referral code RMCTNB5R unlocks maximum benefits, and why this is the smartest way to start trading crypto in 2025 and beyond. This is not financial advice, just a practical guide to saving money while trading. Let's get straight to it. If you're new here, Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world. Over 300+ million users, hundreds of cryptocurrencies. Spot, futures, options, earn, staking, everything in one place, whether you're a beginner buying Bitcoin or an active trader using futures. Binance is usually the first stop, but here's the part most people miss. When you register on Binance, there are two options: sign up without a referral, sign up with a referral code. If you use RMCTNB5R, you unlock exclusive benefits that normal users don't get. Here's what you get. Every time you trade, Binance charges fees. With my referral code, you get maximum lifetime trading fee. Cashback. This means you keep more profit, you lose less to fees, especially powerful if you trade often. Most traders don't realize fees quietly eat profits over time. New users can unlock trading rewards, task-based bonuses, deposit and trading incentives. Depending on Binance's active campaigns, you can earn up to $200 just for starting. Free money for doing what you already plan to do. Binance constantly runs trading competitions, airdrop-style rewards, futures and spot challenges. By registering properly, you qualify for all active promotions. This referral is perfect for beginners, lower fees, bonuses to start safely, trusted platform, active traders, lifetime cashback adds up fast, futures and spot fee savings, better long-term profitability, long-term holders. Buy crypto cheaper, stake, earn, and hold. No downside to using a referral. There's literally no disadvantage. Here's exactly how to do it. Click the link in the description or go to Binance and enter referral code RMCTNB5R. Create your account. Complete verification. Start trading and earning bonuses. That's it. Takes less than 5 minutes. Let's recap quickly. Binance is the largest crypto exchange. Fees matter more than you think. Using RMCTNB5R gives you largest lifetime cashback. Welcome. Bonus up to $200. Access to active campaigns, for example. You can earn a share of the 160,000 open prize pool. Its latest Binance campaign, what you need to do? Just trade CC, $40 on spot, and EG, $100 on futures. If you're going to trade anyway, at least trade smart. Check the Binance link below. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and comment if you want a full Binance tutorial next. As always, DYOR, manage your risk and trade responsibly. Don't forget to use referral code